do when our cars don't start? Since we don't have jumper cables, we have this power pack. It's a booster that will jump the car without waving somebody down on the side or calling somebody, if it's just the battery. So my car won't start even with a kill switch that I accidentally left on. I got a battery that's pretty good, and there's a parasite. I want to have something that I will always, not be stuck with. So I got this booster. It's got everything that you need to start the car. It's got this mechanism that has the boost switch. And you can see it's got a boost, a correct, and a reverse. Well, we don't want to put the negative on the positive and the positive on the negative. Is very clear. So what we're going to do is lay our booster cables down, grab our power bank. Our power bank is from VTOMAN. It's got a compass, it's got a light, it's got the area where you're going to put your leads in for the charger, USB-A's, a DIN, and a power switch and charging switch. And this is the power amount of voltage that it has in the unit, 83%. We make sure our switch is on, and this on switch here will give us a light. If you shut the switch off, the light will go off, and when you turn it back on, it will stay off for the next time. So let's turn the switch to the on. Let's take our leads. If you never charged your car or done this work before, you want to make sure the thicker end is on the bottom, goes on like so, snaps into place. You can hear the click. And then you're going to take these leads and hook it up. On the unit, it tells you green. I am not going to demonstrate reversal for you. But if we do it reverse order, this is what's going to happen. It'll beep and tell you reverse. So let's make sure we get our cable terminals on correctly. And I guess we have to hit boost. And the boost locks in. Don't jump, you hear a click. And then we're able to start to do our work in our vehicle. Let's start our car. Voila! We are started. Now it's giving us a different blink since we got power. We're going to disconnect. Take everything off. In order to shut down, you need to remove the unit. We have an emergency light, and we can simply put the lights on. It flickers, an SOS, and shut everything off. Put everything away, and we'll go give a little talk inside the house to show you what this unit is about. We'll go over the unit for you. This is the engine's 12-volt system where you're going to hook up your unit. And on the unit, you're going to have this booster that you must press. If you don't press it, your car's not going to start or get any juice. It has a green light to tell you you're correct, a red light to tell you incorrect. Also, this will block the on and off switch. So you must remove this to shut this unit off. Now, if you want to hook up other 12-volt items, they give you this particular piece. It's a DIN to 12-volt socket. It will hook up to anything that you want to run. A vacuum cleaner, a small blender, a small refrigerator, anything that takes 12 volts. Now, I don't think you're able to hook this up and just tap it to anything that you want to run 12 volts to. because you have a booster. You never know. If you're looking for something like VTOMAN, this is the product for you for your car. A battery booster power bank, 20,000 milliamps or more. I hope you enjoy your product, especially when you get one. Have a great day. I'm Fish, your how-to guy.